Hey, snare drummers, welcome back. Today we're doing our solo number 28 from our Alfred's book method. This solo is going to utilize some of the rudiments that we've been learning in the lessons leading up to the solo. Our flam paradiddles, our singles, our double, and our triple paradiddles. We're going to start by practicing the first line or the introduction to the solo. I'm going to keep the tempo a little slower than 116, which is the goal tempo. And the reason we do that is so that we have some accuracy. We really have the tempo that will allow us to have some success at a slower tempo. So let's get started. We're going to make sure that we use as many of those patterns and those rudiments as we can going forward. So remember them and try to add them in. The first line, 1E and a 2, 4E and a 1. Some flam paradiddles. 1, 2, first line go. 1E and a 2, 4E and a 1, 3E and a 4, 1E and a 2, 4E and a 1, 3 and 4 and. Let's go through that again. 1, 2, first line, 1, 2, flam paradiddle. Great. Line number 2 is the line that has a repeated section. Let's go through that. I notice some flam paradiddles as well as some flammacues. Play it twice. 1, 2, line 2, 1 and a 2 and a ready, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3E and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3E and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 4. Right there in measure 2 of that second line is that flammacue. 1E and a, or 3E and a. Let's move on to line number 3, 4, and 5. Here we got some 5-stroke rolls, so be careful that you add them in. In line number 4, we have some rim playing. Make sure you do that too. 3 lines, line 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, drum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1E and a 2 and 3E and a 4. 1E and a 2 and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2E and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and 3E and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1E and a 2 and 3E and a 4. How did you do with that section? Pause, rewind, and replay it if you need more practice. The next line, or line number 6, is a line that has another repeated section. So we're going to repeat line 6 twice. It looks like we have some triple paradiddles and some single paradiddles in this line. Try to utilize those paradiddles as we play. 1, 2, ready, go. Para, 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 paradiddle, paradiddle, para, para, para. 3E and a 2, 3, 4E and a 1 and 2 and a 3E and a repeat. Para, 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 paradiddle, paradiddle, para, para, para. Rest. Para, para, paradiddle, para. Great. Next, we have to get really soft and quiet for the last 4 lines. And notice where the dynamics change in the last 5 lines here. So we're going to start out really simple with some roughs, and we've got some drags in the first 2 lines, and then the last 3 lines of the solo, some more of those paradiddle patterns. So from the bottom of the page, we're doing the last 5 lines. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4. 1 E and a 2, 4 E and a 1, 3 E and a 4, 1 E and a 2, 4 E and a 1, and 2 E and a 3 and a 4. So there you have it. Each of those 5 lines have something special on it as well, be it the drag or the rough, the triple paradiddle, the flammamacue, the single flam paradiddle, all the way up until the very last measure. There's something for everyone or something from every of those lessons that lead up to this solo number 28. So now it's up to you to go back and put the solo together complete. Use a nice slow tempo and master those rhythms, and then gradually start to increase the tempo until you get it to the goal of 116 beats per minute. So until I see you next time, keep drumming.